Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the number of open orders in MQL5 by using the magic number of your expert advisor. So as you can see, I have just created a brand new expert advisor and we are going to create a function that gets us the total number of open orders. So let's go all the way down here. And this function returns an integer. Let's call it get number of open orders. And we need two parameters. First off, an integer that holds the magic number of your expert advisor, and then that's optional, but maybe you want to filter the number of open orders by a symbol. So for example, you want to get the number of open orders from a specific magic number on a specific symbol. So we can add a string, let's call it symbol, and the value is an empty string. So that way the user can either pass the parameter or not. Okay, so inside the function, first off, we need an integer. Let's call it open trade, and let's set the value to 0. And now we need to iterate through the pool of open orders. So let's create a for loop starting at 0 and smaller than positions total, and of course I++. So first off, we need to get the ticket number for the current position. So let's say u long ticket number position get ticket at the index I. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So note that we have the ticket number inside our variable. We can use an if statement and say position select by ticket number. So okay, so we are trying to select the open position. If it does not work, we are just going to say continue, meaning we are going to jump into the next iteration of our for loop. But if we successfully select the position, then we are going to create another if statement, and this one, let's say position get integer, position magic. So in this if statement we are going to compare the magic number of our open position to our parameter magic number. So okay, if this is true, then it means that the open position that we have currently selected is in fact from the correct expert advisor, from the one with the magic number that we have passed as a parameter. And if it's not, we are just going to continue again. Now you have two options. You could either say open trades ++ right here, or you can check for the symbol. which is what I'm going to do. So another if statement, and in this one we are going to check if the open order, which is from the correct expert advisor, is also on the correct chart or on the correct symbol. So we are going to say position get string, position symbol equals symbol. And of course, now we need an OR to check if symbol equals an empty string. Because if that's the case, it simply means that we don't want to check for the correct symbol. Okay. And now we can say open trades plus plus, or else again continue. Okay, and now all the way down here at the end of the function we are going to return the value from open trades. Let's compile it. No warnings. So that's the function. You can call it, pass the magic number of your expert advisor, and if you want to, you can pass the symbol if you want to get the number of open trades for a specific symbol. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you've learned something new, feel free to leave a like, and see you next time. Bye.